When performing characterization of precipitates in nickel-based superalloys, EM imaging data can pose challenges due to variation and noise. As an optical illusion, centers of the precipitates match the intensity of the matrix. Furthermore, we must classify the detected precipitates as secondary or tertiary. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would annotate the image with the precipitates and matrix phases. This manual process was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect the precipitates and output the area fraction measurement. Once our features have been identified, it's relatively straightforward to measure the area fraction and produce a report from the measurements. This verbose solution works if you're processing a single micrograph or a batch of 1,000.